Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox error code 277. It's easy. First, type here device manager and click on it. Now just click network adapters and right click on all of those drivers here and click update driver, search automatically for drivers, and that's it. Do it to the next one by one until the last one here, and then restart your PC, and after that just right click on Roblox and click run as administrator. If that doesn't fix your problem, type here view network connections and then select your connection, right click on it and click properties, and after that select protocol internet version 4, go to properties, and here we'll find it like that. You will find it in the first one, select second one and type here 1111001 and click OK, and then close it, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.